Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Make sure your AirPods Pro have battery and your Android's Bluetooth and location are turned on. Once done, open the case and press the setup button until the LED flashes white. This puts the buds into pairing mode so Android can discover them. You do this now because the phone only sees new devices while scanning, and enabling location ensures scanning works on recent Android versions. After the light appears, move to your phone's Bluetooth list to find the AirPods. You'll tap the AirPods Pro entry in your Android Bluetooth list and approve any pairing prompts. Accept microphone access so calls and assistant features work. Once paired, make sure Android shows them as connected for media and calls by checking the device details. Switch audio profiles if necessary for better call quality. If you want battery level readouts or advanced gesture mapping, install a compatible companion app from the Play Store and grant the requested permissions. This enhances functionality because Android doesn't provide Apple-specific features natively. You should now test audio playback and make a quick call to confirm mic and stereo output. If sound quality is thin, switch Bluetooth codec and developer options to AAC or a higher quality option supported by your phone. Next, map controls using an app or Android gestures and use accessibility settings to tweak behavior. This fixes most interaction gaps. If you hit persistent pairing or audio dropouts, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.